guys, today we're going to be cooking fluffy scrambled eggs, the perfect morning recipe, cheap and packed with protein. Let's crack on. First thing we're going to do is crack our eggs. I'm only using 4, which is enough for 2 people. It's always best to crack on a flat surface to prevent shells going in your bowl. Now grab your fork and you want to whisk the eggs so that the egg white and the yolk are fully mixed. It should look like this. The secret to cooking fluffy scrambled eggs is cooking slow and with heat that is low. Low and slow, so we'll just adjust the temperature. Add a tablespoon of butter to the non-stick pan and let that simmer. And then add a bit of salt and pepper. And now it's time to pour our eggs in. Now we don't want to start scrambling right off the bat because that will just result in messy looking eggs. So we should wait for the edges of the pan to cook. And once you see that they are cooked, grab your spatula, silicone based spatulas are always best, and slowly bring the curtain to the centre. As this is happening, you should see some liquid running to the edges. This is key to the fluffy look. Keep doing this until you see all areas cooked. Then you want to fold the eggs over on itself lightly. You can leave them to cook for a bit. Then I suggest you turn off your hob. The eggs should be slightly runny in some places. Now is the perfect time to add your choice of toppings. The reasons why I add it on top of the eggs whilst they are cooking, but not in the bowl, is because I find that adding them in the bowl makes the eggs lose their soft appearance. And there you have it, the perfect scrambled fluffy eggs. Guys, try this out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Love, Naturally.